Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best acupressure mats that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. ProSource Acupressure Mat and a Pillow Set. ProSource Acupressure Mat provides a simple way to reduce muscle tensions and back pain naturally. All you are supposed to be lying on it for utmost 30 minutes and all body pains will be gone. It offers a full support courtesy of cushioned foam and large size. This mat covers the whole of your back, hence providing unmatched comfort, unlike another mat that only covers a small area of your body. This set includes a pillow with acupressure points to take care of neck pains. Thanks to the cotton material of construction and eco-based foam material that won't harm your body. In fact, this acupressure boasts a total of 6,210 and 1,782 acupressure points for the back and neck region respectively. At number 4. Nayoya Neck Pain Relief Back Acupressure Mat. Nayoya acupressure mats feature a total of 6,210 acupressure points for maximum body coverage. It stimulates the acupressure points of the body to enhance uninterrupted blood flow, reducing inflammation and body pain. By helping the body to release endorphins instantly, it reduces pain, anxiety, stress. It includes a neck pillow that can comfortably reach between neck and shoulder. Furthermore, it has a total of 1,782 acupressure for an ultimate sensation. Whether you have a stiff neck, shoulder pain, headache as a result of sitting for long hours, this acupressure mat has got you covered. Also, this acupressure is versatile and hence ideal for beginners, intermediate and advanced. By simply giving in to this natural acupressure therapy, you can effortlessly eliminate back and neck pain at such an affordable investment. At number 3. Zensufu Back Pain Relief and Neck Pillow Acupressure Mat Set. Featuring thousands of stimulation points, Zensufu Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set offers reliable body pain reliever. It provides natural relaxation by eliminating back pain and neck pain. It also relieves tension in the body muscles and hence ideal for anyone who wants to enhance well-being. Unlike other cheaply made mats, this acupressure mat works in a few minutes. It works perfectly for both planned and unplanned routine. You can even choose to target specific areas that are vulnerable to body pains. Whether it is back pain, mid pain, neck stiffness, lower back pain, Zensufu acupressure works effectively. At number 2. Hemingway Complete Acupressure Mat and Pillow, Complete Set. Are you looking for an incredibly effective wellness tool for body pain? Don't look any further because Hemingway Acupressure Mat has the solution for you. It works by promoting stress relief and breathtaking relaxation. The process is set to increase blood circulation and oxygenation. Hence, it is suitable for persons suffering from low energy levels, stress, insomnia, depression, among other complications. In fact, this product is widely used by reputable yoga practitioners, and all they preach is outstanding results. Thanks to the high-quality materials with great breathability and with 8,820 acupressure points. It doesn't contain toxic glues because it is made using an innovative skill that applies no glue. And finally at number 1. Spoonk Pagoda Blue Cotton Acupressure Massage Mat Plus Pillow. Being the leading brand out there, Spoonk Acupressure Mat has a justifiable reason to be the best in our review. Its features say it all and no exaggerative narrative here. To start with, this mat uses an eco-foam filling for an ultimate comfort and relaxation without putting your well-being at risk. With its optimal number of acupressure points being about 6,200, it enhances excellent stimulation. Besides, the stimulation points are made of non-toxic ABS material which is safe and friendly to the body skin. The high-quality cotton material of the mat promotes breathability, makes it easy to clean and enhances warmth while you undergo your meditation lying on the mat. Indeed, it is a must-have massage tool. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.